by Addis Ababa City Administration Education Bureau. And I am Zuna Makonnen. Today we'll see Unit 1. Unit 1, Basic Concepts of Set. Basic concepts. Basic concepts of set. Lesson topic 1.3. Operation on sets. Operation on sets. Students, after this lesson, you are expected to determine intersection of sets. You are expected to determine intersection of sets. Intersection of sets. Second, you are expected to determine union of sets. Union of sets. Intersection of sets, union of sets, and use Venn diagram to represent union and intersection. Use Venn diagram to represent intersection and union. Intersection and union. Now let's proceed to the lesson. Venn diagram. First, let's see what Venn diagram is and how to use a Venn diagram. Venn diagram is a diagram that shows a collection of objects in a circle. So, here, Venn diagram is a diagram that shows a collection of objects, a collection of objects in a circle. So let's see example for this one. Example. Use Venn diagram to represent. Use Venn diagram to represent set A, which is equals to, contains the elements 4, 6, and 10. Let's see this together. The answer or solution. Venn diagram is, as we said, it's a circle that represents collection of objects in it. So set A, here it is set A contains these elements. You put these elements inside the circle. 4, 6, and 10. So set A in Venn diagram is represented in this form. Now, this is the first example. Let's proceed to the second example. Example 2. Represent the relationship. Represent the relationship of set A and B. Set A and B in Venn diagram. In Venn diagram. If set A contains the elements 6, 12, 10, and set B contains the elements 6 and 12. Now, let's represent these two sets using Venn diagram. Let's see this together. Solution. When you see these two sets, A contains the elements 6, 12, and 10. B also contains 6 and 12. So first, let me represent set B in Venn diagram. Set B contains the elements 6 and 12. Now, set A contains these two elements 6 and 12. In addition to that, it has one more element 10. So, set A, in addition to this circle, you have another circle, it containing 10. As you can see here, set A contains the whole elements inside this circle. It contains 6, it contains 12, and 10. So, this is the relationship between set A and B. And as you can see, B contains only 6 and 12. Inside circle B, you have only two elements, 6 and 12. And inside circle A, in addition to 6 and 12, you have one more element 10. So this is the relationship between set A and set B. Let's see additional example. Example. Represent the relationship of set C and D in Venn diagram. If set C contains 1, 2, and set D contains 2, 5, and 6. The relationship between these two sets, let's see together. Solution. Set C contains these two elements, so inside set C, you can put these two elements. It contains 1 and 2. Set D contains 2, 5, and 6. So, 2 is here. In addition to, the set D contains 5 and 6. So, 2, 5, and 6 inside a circle that represents set D. Therefore, the relationship between set C and set D is described in this form. Now, let's proceed to operations on set. The first operation, union. The union of two sets A and B, two sets A and B is the set of all elements, is the set of, this is the set of all elements, set of all elements that are found in A or B or both. So union means the union of set A and B means the set of all elements that are found in A, in B, or in both. So the union of two sets is denoted by in this symbol. Union of two sets. Union of two sets A and B is denoted by this symbol. It is denoted by the symbol AUB. That is read as A union B. Now, I will give you example for this one. Example 1. Example 1. Suppose set A contains the elements 3, 4, 7, and set B contains the elements 3, 8. Then find A union B. Simply, union means mix the two elements without repeating the element. So, let's take the answer. The answer is A union B. This will be equal to, when you mix these two elements, the elements in A are 3, 4, 7, and then you add this element here again. But since you wrote C here, no need of writing again, so take 8. Therefore, this is the union of these two sets. Now, let me add one more example. Example 2. Example 2. Let set A contains the elements A, B, and set B contains the elements C and D. Find A union B. I will give you 10 seconds for this question. Students, have you tried the question? Very nice. Let's see the answer. Okay, so here A union B is equal to, simply you mix the two elements together. Union means that's it. So the elements in set A are A and B, and you mix these elements on A, you have this. So the union of these two sets are A, B, C, and D. Okay, now let's proceed to another example. Example 3. Suppose set A and set B are related in the following diagram, in the following Venn diagram, in the following Venn diagram. in the following Venn diagram. In the following Venn diagram. Okay, let's take the two sets. Set A and set B are related by this Venn diagram. Set A is here, set B is here. Now, set A, here you have these elements. So, the first question, find A, set A itself. Find set A, B, or list elements of set A, B, list elements of set B, and finally, find the union of the two sets. Okay, so I will give you 10 seconds for this one. What are the elements found in set A? Have you tried the question? Very nice. Now, let's see the answer together. Set A contains the element inside circle A. The elements are 1, 5, 3, and 4. Set A consists element. Set A contains the elements 1, 5, 4, and 3. Okay, now how about set B? Let's write the elements that are found in set B together. Set B contains the elements 1, 5, 2, and 8. Inside circle B, we have these 4 elements. Set B contains the elements 1, 5, 2, and 8. That's it. Now, let's find the union of these two sets. The union of these two sets, A union B, is equal to, simply, you mix the elements A and B without repeating the elements. So, here you have 1, 5, 4, 3, and then you mix these elements. 1 and 5 are written here, so no need of writing again. So, the remaining elements are 2 and 8. Therefore, the union of these two sets gives us 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 8. That's it. Now, let's proceed to the next operation. Intersection. The intersection of two sets, the intersection of two sets A and B is this the set of all elements that are found both in A and B is the set of this. It is the set of all elements that are found both in set A and set B. So symbolically, A intersection B is written as A intersection B, symbolically written as A and B. So this it is read as A intersection B. The meaning, it is the set of all elements that are found both in A and B. So let's see example for this. Okay, example. Example 1. Suppose set A contains the letters A, B, C, and set B contains the letter B, C, D, and E. These two sets are given. So the question is find A intersection B. Now let's see this question together. So A intersection B, this means the set of all elements that are found both in A and B. You take the common elements for both, it means. So search the common elements that are found in A and B. Is A found here? No, it's not common. B, yes. So B is a common element there, common element. C, there is C there, it's common element. Therefore, their intersection is only B and C. Therefore, A intersection B is this, contains the elements B and C. Okay, now let me give you one question for you. Example 2. Let A contains the number 10, 12, 14. And set B contains the number 10, 6, and 8. Then find A intersection B. I will give you 10 seconds for this question. Students, have you tried the question? Very good. Now let's see the answer together. Solution. Okay. Here, we are asked to find A intersection B. A intersection B means the elements that are found both in A and B. So here, that means all the common elements that are found in A and B. Let's check the common elements. Here, 10, there is 10 there. So 10 is a common element for both. Is 12 common? It's not. Is 14 common for both? It's not. Therefore, it has only one common element, that's 10. Therefore, A intersection B is this only 10. This will be the answer. Now, let me add one more example. Example 3. Let set A consists the elements A, B, and set B contains the elements 1, 2. Then find A intersection B. I will give you 10 seconds for this question. Students, have you tried the question? Very good. Let's see the answer together. Solution. A intersection B means the set of all elements that are found both in A and B. Now let's search common elements. Is A common for both? It's not. Is B common? It's not. So as you can see, these two sets, they do not have common element. So because of this, their intersection is empty. We can't find a number which is common for both. So A intersection B is this empty set. This will be the answer. Now, let's proceed to the other example. Example Example 4. Suppose set A and set B. Suppose set A and set B are related in the following diagram. Are related in the following Venn diagram. In the following Venn diagram. Okay, this Venn diagram is given. Set A is here. It contains the numbers 4, 5, and 6. And set B here contains, in addition to 4 and 5, 6, it contains the numbers 1 and 0. So, the first question, find the set of all elements, or list all elements of set A. All elements of set A. I will give you 10 seconds for this question. Okay, students, have you tried the question? Very nice. Now, let's see the answer together. Okay, we are asked to list all elements of set A. Set A contains the elements inside it, inside the circle. So in set A, we have these elements 4, 5, and 6. Therefore, set A contains the elements 5, 6, and 4. These are the elements of set A. Now, the second question, list all elements of set B. List all elements of set B. Now, set B contains all elements inside circle B. Inside circle B, you have the numbers 4, 5, 6. In addition to that, there are also these two numbers, 1 and 0. Therefore, set B contains the elements 1, 0, these two, and in addition to that, you have these numbers 4, 5, and 6. 4, 5, and 6. Therefore, the elements in set B are 1, 0, 4, 5, and 6. Now, the next question. Find A intersection B. A intersection B. Find A intersection B. I'll give you 10 seconds for this question. Students, have you tried the question? Very good. Let's see the answer together. A intersection B, this means this is equal to set of all elements that are common for both set A and set B. So here, set A contains 5. 5 is so here is common. Set A contains 6. 6 also found in B is common. Set A contains 4. Set B also contains 4. Therefore, 5, 6, and 4 are the common elements for both. Therefore, intersection B is the elements 4, 5, and 6 is the intersection of A and B. Now, let's find, again, try this one. We have found earlier union B, A union B. I'll give you 10 seconds for this. Good. Let's see the answer together. Union means simply mixing the elements without repetition. So here, let's mix the elements of set A and set B. Set A first contains the elements 5, 6, and 4. It contains this one. Let's mix elements of set B, 1, 0, but no need of writing 4, 5, 6 since we have written here. Therefore, A union B contains the elements 4, 5, 6, 1, and 0. This will be the answer. Okay, so this is all about today's lesson. Just to summarize the key concepts, let's see together. Summary. 1. We have seen about Venn diagram. Venn diagram. It is a diagram that shows a collection of objects in a circle. It is a diagram. It's a diagram that shows a collection of objects. Objects in a circle. We have seen this. If you have set A containing the elements 1, 2, to show this in a Venn diagram, simply just draw a circle, name the set A, and list the elements inside the circle. That's it. Now, we have also seen how to find the union of two sets. Union of two sets. Two sets A and B is denoted by this symbol A union B. Its meaning just simply mix the elements of set A and B without repeating the elements. So, for example, if you have set A containing the elements 1, 2, and 3, if you have set B containing the elements 2, 3, and 4, so A union B is equal to, simply you mix the elements, so 1, 2, 3, so add the elements on this set. We have written 2 and 3 here, so no need of writing again. So simply add 4. Therefore, A union B is 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we have also seen about intersection. Intersection of two sets A and B is denoted by this symbol A intersection B, meaning take the common elements of set A and B. Therefore, for example, if you have set A 1, 2, and 3, and if you have set B 2, 3, 6, so if you are asked to find their intersection, A intersection B, simply you take their common elements. The common elements here, 2 is common, 3 is common. So their intersection is 2 and 3 only. So this is it. This is all about today's lesson. So I'll give you a question for you to try at home. Exercise. Let set A contains the elements A, C, E, F, and set B contains the elements D, E, F, then find A union B, find A intersection B. The second question. Okay, A and B are related in the following Venn diagram. A and B are related in the following Venn diagram. In the following Venn diagram. In the following Venn diagram. Set A and set B. Here set A. This one is 3, 8, 10. Here set A contains elements 3, 6, 7, 1, 2. In this set you have 8, 10, 1, 2. So this A and B are related in this form. So the question is find or question is the first question. List all elements of set A. All elements of set A. Second question. List all elements of set B. List all elements of set B. And third one, find A intersection B. Fourth one, find A union B. This is all about today's lesson. Please, students, try this question. I will give you 1 minute to copy the question. So next lesson, goodbye.